Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free Databricks certification 2026. We'll go through the AI and data science. So here is the Databricks Student Fellows program announced and 100% free opportunity for students. So what is Databricks? Databricks is the cloud-based data analytics and artificial intelligence AI platform that helps companies process the massive amounts of data, build AI models, and create the data-driven applications. It was founded by the original creators of Apache Spark and is widely used for data engineering, data science, machine learning, AI development, big data analytics, business intelligence, and key features of the Databricks is unified data platform for the data analytics and AI built on the Apache Spark technology, supports Python, SQL, Scala, and R, collaborative notebooks for teams, Lakehouse architecture, data lake and data warehouse, integration of AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Next is that why Databricks is popular. So companies use the Databricks become its helps analyze and huge data sets faster, train AI and machine learning models, automate data pipelines, reduce infrastructure complexity, scale big data workloads efficiently. So now Databricks has officially launched the Databricks Student Fellows Program in incredible that is a 100% free opportunity to university and college students passionate about the AI, data engineering, computer science, and machine learning. So in this video, we'll cover what is the Databricks Student Fellows Program and benefits of become a fellow and free certification and exam voucher, internship, career opportunities, leadership, campus administrator, ambassador experience, how to apply successfully. As a Databricks Student Fellows, you can build a real world AI and data skills, learn directly from the Databricks experts, and organize the hackathons and workshops and tech events, earn industry recognized certification, connect with the recruiter, partners, and companies, unlock internship and job pathways. So this is the one of the best opportunities for the student who wants to grow in AI, data science, data engineering, Apache Spark, cloud computing, and machine learning. So program highlights is that this is 100% free to apply, hands-on learning experience, then leadership opportunities, global student network, career acceleration in data and AI. If you want to stand out the tech and become a leader in the AI revolution, this program is for you. So apply with the Databricks Student Fellows program. So this is the URL. So let me open this URL. Now you can see announcing the Databricks Student Fellows. So become a student leader on your campus, unlock pathways and internship and job opportunities. So empowering the next generation of the data and AI leaders, announcing the Databricks Student Fellows program. So other details are there. What is the database student fellows? So database student fellows is the exclusive opportunity for the university and college student who are passionate about the computer science, AI, data engineering, and become the leader on their campus. Whether you are just beginning your coding journey or you are already diving in deep into the AI models, this program is designed to turn your data expertise into a career in data and AI. Student fellows are standout contributors to their campus and their project and beyond. So why should we become a fellowship? Other details are there. As a student fellow, you will build a real world skill, become a campus leader, and gain industry recognition. This is the very important for you. So this is the certification provide the way to showcase your competency, and you will have a opportunity to earn industry recognized certifications with free or discounted exam vouchers. So there they have a term and conditions. So launch your career, move one step closer to your dream internship, build real world experience with the Databricks, then uh, pursue internship opportunity with its customer partners and at Databricks. So your journey as a fellow. So other details are there. So are you ready to become a leader in the data revolution? So learn about the program and apply. And we accepting the first uh, cohort of the students fellow now. We can't wait to see you how we'll inspire in the next generation of the developers and builders. So there is a programs is there. So turn your data experience into the career of AI with the Databricks student follows. So all the details you can find and program benefit for the student. So real world skill, there is a certifications, career launchpad and free edition. So now I'm going back there and there is a one option is there apply. So when you will click on the apply, this link will open Airtable and Databricks student fellowship internship form is there. So there is a database invites extraordinary student to become the student fellow, student who brings together their community, push data science, AI forward, and champion projects to make a difference. Does the sounds like you? We love you. Hear from you. So your information, put your name here. Then we need an email address. So here you have to provide your college email address. So just like I am giving 2024 nitjsr.sc.in. So I confirm I'm over 18 years old. So you study what college university you are currently studying. Just I'm giving some information about me. What degree program you are enrolled for. So what year do you expect to graduate and your experience. So data science and AI. I'm writing something. Experience with data science and AI through projects involving data analysis, machine learning, and generative AI applications. So I'm going to add some more like I have worked with Python libraries like Pandas and NumPy, etc. Next, what your experience with the Databricks? I am new for Databricks. So, how will become a Databricks student fellow help you to achieve your goal? So, becoming Databricks and students fellow will help me deepen my knowledge of big 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 data and AI AI technologies. Okay, so this is done. Now GitHub. So GitHub, and I'll put my GitHub account detail, LinkedIn, in okay, LinkedIn profile detail, and other details I'm not going to put. And I'll click on submit. So thank you for submitting the form. Control 0. So we have submitted the form. So step by step full process I have shown you. There is a 100% free database certification 2026 for the student AI and data science career opportunity. We'll have all the details on the full video. So now disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. For any copyright concern, go with just send an email on this email address. Follow and support. So there is a YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Drop your question on the comment box. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.